As you can see, this is our project and this is our battery. This is our switch and this is a power bank panel, guys. Actually, this panel is for 10,000 milliamp battery and this is 4,000 milliamp battery. So this project based on using the panel to charge our 3.7 volt battery, guys. So we can use it to charge our battery, and again we can also use it as a power bank. So let me on it, guys. As you can see, guys, I've turned it on using our switch. I don't want to connect it directly so let's test it, guys. See, so this is our LED, guys, 5 volts. So we are putting it here or here. So let's plug. So guys, as you can see, our project is working. This is 5 volt LED. As you can see the brightness, guys. As you can see, so we can use this to light up 5 volt LED bulb, guys, in our house. As you can see. So the battery is almost gone, guys. Don't have enough on it. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.